To locate your Google AdSense 1099 MISC form, which reports your earnings as non-employee compensation, first log into your AdSense account at adsense.google.com. Navigate to the Payments section. Then click on Tax Documents. Here, you'll find your 1099 MISC form available for download as a PDF. Select the relevant tax year to access the correct form. This form is crucial for U.S. taxpayers who earned over $600 from AdSense during the calendar year. The form includes Google's EIN, your taxpayer identification number, TIN, and the total payments made to you, found in Box 7. The 1099 MISC form is vital for filing your U.S. taxes. It provides the necessary details to report your AdSense income accurately on your tax return. Typically, you'll report this income on Schedule C, which is used for self-employment activities. This form helps calculate your business profit or loss. Important to remember that AdSense does not withhold taxes from your payments. You're responsible for paying self-employment tax, which is 15.3% on your net earnings, plus income tax based on your tax bracket. You can use the details from your 1099 MISC to deduct relevant business expenses, such as website hosting or other costs, which will reduce your taxable income. If you haven't received your form by mid-March, you can download it directly from the AdSense dashboard or contact Google support for assistance. For international publishers, U.S. tax forms like the 1099 MISC may not apply. Instead, consult your local tax authorities to understand your specific obligations. Keep in mind that the IRS is increasing its focus on digital economy taxation, so accurate reporting of your AdSense income is essential to avoid potential audits.